Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever heard that chia seeds help you lose weight? If you've eaten chia, tell me what you think. In today's video, you'll learn how to consume the seed and how it can help you, as well as other incredible benefits. Chia is known as a superfood despite their small size, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Recently, chia has become very popular in weight loss diets, and for good reason. Several scientific studies show that eating the seeds provides many other benefits to the body and even prevents health problems. They help control blood sugar levels because they have a high fiber content. It also reduces the speed of carbohydrate absorption, controls blood sugar levels, and prevents problems such as insulin resistance and diabetes. It's therefore a good alternative for those who already suffer from diabetes. Chia also has an antioxidant effect that fights the excess of free radicals, preventing wrinkles, sagging, and premature aging. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids from plant sources, helping to keep the skin hydrated, soft, and wrinkle-free. Did you know that people who eat chia go to the bathroom more easily? Chia helps against constipation because it's rich in soluble fiber, which facilitates bowel movements. This little seed also helps improve mood because it's rich in tryptophan and contributes to stronger immunity. Chia strengthens the immune system because it's rich in zinc, a mineral with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This also helps shorten the duration of colds and flu and helps heal wounds. Incredible, isn't it? In addition to supporting the immune system, it also strengthens bones and prevents osteopenia and osteoporosis, as well as complications such as falls and fractures. It's also an ally of the heart, as its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects prevents oxidation of fat cells and controls blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels, thus preventing cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and heart failure. If you know someone who has these problems, share this video with them. Now see why it's so good for anyone who wants to lose weight. It's true that no single food will cause you to lose weight, but chia in combination with a healthy diet and exercise can be very useful if you want to lose weight. This is because the seeds are rich in fiber as well as protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients help maintain the feeling of satiety and help you eat less, a good condition for anyone who wants to lose weight. A great way to use chia for weight loss is to make a delicious chia pudding. You'll need 200 milliliters of cow's milk or plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional, and chopped red fruit to taste. Wash and dry the berries well, then cut them into small cubes. Mix the milk with the chia seeds and honey in a jar with a lid and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Then take it out of the fridge and add the diced red fruits on top. It's ready. The ideal is to eat this recipe the next day. It's delicious. You can also add it to yogurt, bread, cakes, juices, smoothies, fruits, and pancakes. To get the above-mentioned benefits, it's recommended to consume 2 tablespoons of this seed daily. It's advisable to consume chia seeds, preferably hydrated or mixed with liquid, to avoid choking. People with ulcerative colitis and diverticulitis should avoid consuming high-fiber foods, including chia. Did you want to know how chia helps you lose weight and has numerous health benefits? Then try this recipe that will help you lose weight in a simple and fast way. If you already know it, tell me in the comments. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes,